And we're cutting gracefully. Wonderful. Okay, you're dining in American
I
style.
can't put this up there
You
because I
can
have.
just push the food down, yes. Good. Switch your fork to the right and enjoy that portion. It's a bit big,
Yeah, it was
so
too
the
big.
next time we want to try to cut it smaller. Okay, enjoy. No, that's appropriate, but that's fine. So we don't cut between the tines, okay? We always cut in the front, okay? We cut one piece at a time. Okay, great. Place the knife at the top, switch the fork to the right, and enjoy that portion. Beautiful, yes.
And then I was told you're supposed to take 20 bites, chew 20 times before you.
Depending, of course, on the size of the food. Yes. Okay, and oh, okay. Index finger in place. Good. And we're cutting. So we slice. Good. Okay. Great. Beautiful. Good job. Ooh.